Okay, so recording is already on progress this time. It's already 5:31 in the afternoon. I'm very sorry for the very long delay of our class. So I hope this afternoon we will be able to read two new stories. So am I already sharing my screen? Tristan, am I already sharing my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so this will be our first story. Let me check it first. Okay. So what is the title of the story? What's the title of the story you have?
Dave and Grant love kayaking.
Okay. Can I have you first, Tristan, to read the story?
Okay. Dave and his friend Grant love to go kayaking in the summer. They each have their own kayak. Dave's kayak is yellow and Grant's kayak is red. Whenever it is not raining, they kayak on the small lake in town. They look for fish, turtles, and muskrats when they are kayaking. They also like to see ducks and loons. Sometimes they bring fishing poles and fishing poles with them so they can try to catch fish. Sometimes they just paddle around. They have the most fun when they race each other in their kayaks. They always pack a lunch. They have a favorite spot on the lake to stop and eat their sandwiches. After lunch, they paddle around the lake some more. Then they stop again to have some cookies. Even if they can spend a full day kayaking, they will go out for at least an hour each day. They really love kayaking.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Tristan, for reading the whole story. Okay. So for us to really understand the story, I'll be asking two more kids to read it. Can I have Mark first? Mark?
Finally, it's me. Yes.
Okay, please start reading now, Mark.
This again?
Yes.
Okay. Dave and Dave and Grant. Hold on. Dave and Grant love kayaking. Dave and his friend Grant love to go kayaking in the summer. They each have their own kayak. Dave's kayak is yellow and Grant's kayak is red. Whenever it's whenever it is not raining, they kayak on a small lake in the town. They look for fish, turtles, and what is muskrats?
We'll be finding it out. Continue reading first.
Okay, and muskrats. When they are kayaking, they also like to see ducks and loons. Finally, new vocab, loons. What's that? Sometimes they bring fishing poles with them so they can try to catch fish. Sometimes they just paddle around. They have the most fun when they race each other in their kayaks. They always pack a lunch. They have a favorite spot on the lake to stop and eat their sandwiches. Okay. After lunch, they paddle around the lake and they paddle around the lake some more. Then they stop again to have some cookie. Even if they can't spend a full day kayaking, they will have they will go out for at least an hour each day. They really love kayaking.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mark.
I don't like kayaking because I need to paddle and paddle and paddle and paddle.
Okay. Okay, thank you for sharing that one. I will also be asking Ressa to read. So I'll be having Ressa. Ressa will be the one to read the story last. Okay, Ressa. Ressa, hello. Okay, if not Ressa, Claudie, are you ready to read Claudie?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, we will have you, Claudie. Go first. Go now.
Dave and Grant love kayaking. Dave and his friend love to go kayaking in the summer. They each have their own kayak. Dave's kayak is yellow and Grant's kayak is red. Whenever it is not raining, they kayak on the small lake in town. They look for fish, turtles, and muskrats when they are kayaking. They also like to see ducks and loons. Sometimes they bring fishing poles with them so they can try to catch fish. Sometimes they just paddle around. They have the most fun when they race each other in their kayaks. They always pack a lunch. They have a favorite spot on the lake to stop and eat their sandwich. After lunch, they paddle around the lake some more, then they stop again to have some cookies. Even if they can't spend a full day kayaking, they will go out for at least an hour each day. They really love kayaking.
Very good. Thank you, Claudie.
Welcome, Miss.
So I also want to thank Tristan, Mark, as well as Claudie for reading the whole story. Okay. So what is the title of the story? What is the title of the
Dave
story?
and Grant love kayaking.
So where can we find the title? Where can we find the title?
At the top of the story.
Okay, at the beginning
The very
of,
top of the story, plus
okay.
is always bold text.
Yes, that's a good
Yes.
observation, Mark. We can find or we can find the story, the title at the very start of the story. Okay, Mark said it is usually bold, okay, and the text is kind of different or kind of bigger from the rest of the text. Okay, who are the characters in the story? Who are the characters in the story? Who are the characters in the story? Anyone? Characters? What do you...
Grant and Dave.
Okay, yes, Aaron. We have who are the characters, Aaron?
Dave and Grant.
Okay, you have Dave and Grant. How are they related to each other? Are they brothers? Yes or no?
No.
No. They are?
Friends.
Yes, Dave and Grant are good friends. That's good, Aaron. So, what's the setting of the story? Where did the story happen? Where did the story happen? If I'm asking about where, you're going to give me an answer referring
Lake?
to a place. Okay, yes.
This is the small lake, since it's so.
Okay, the story happened at a small lake in their town. How about when did it happen? When did it happen?
It's always about, whoa. When did it
When?
happen?
Can
It
we
must
say
be in the small lake.
when? When?
When?
Yes, I'm asking for when. For time. Do they do kayaking at noon? Do they do kayaking at the evening? Do they do kayaking during winter, during fall? What was stated in the story? They go kayaking. You have it here?
Summer.
Yes. In summer. Okay, aside from summer, of course, if you do kayaking, you'll do it early in the morning or at daytime. Okay, so what's the color of Dave's kayak?
Kayak is yellow.
Yes. How about Grant's kayak, Claudie?
Kayak is yellow.
Yes.
And
How about
kayak is red.
okay, for Grant, it is a red. Okay, it is color red. When they do kayaking, everybody, you can open your microphone. If they do kayaking, what do they do? What do they like to see? If they do kayak, what do they like to see? Or what they look for?
They look for fish, turtles, and muskrats. What is muskrats?
Ducks
Okay.
and loons.
Yeah, so there are many things that they're looking for fish, for turtles, for muskrats, ducks, and loons. Okay, teacher have searched what muskrats are. Okay, can you see that?
It's a mouse.
Yes, when it's a mouse or a rat. So basically, when we say muskrats are generally referred to as rats. Okay, but these are medium-sized rodents. So, of course, in the lake, you can really see muskrats or rats in there. How about if we ask for
Loons.
loons? Oh, loons are type of bird. I have here. Let's look for its image. Okay, this one.
It's almost a type of duck.
Yeah, it's almost a type of a duck. It's a common loon.
Come on, guys. I want the new story.
Okay, but you know what, Tristan? It looks like a duck, right? Because loons are aquatic birds. Loons are aquatic birds. Mark, please be patient, okay? We're still going to answer comprehension question. Okay. Okay, so those are the things that they are looking for in the lake if they do kayaking. What do they bring with them? What do they bring with them?
Sometimes fishing poles.
Because what are they going to do with the fishing poles?
To catch fish.
Okay, that's good, Tristan. They bring with them fishing poles because they're going to catch fish. Okay, sometimes if they are not catching fish, they just paddle around. Okay, and they found it very fun when they paddle around the lake. Okay, so they usually bring with them their lunch. What is their lunch? What is their
Sandwich.
lunch?
It's a sandwich.
Aside from sandwiches, what do they have?
Some cookies.
Yes, they also have some cookies. So, if they can't do kayaking in a day, what do they do?
They will go out for at least an hour each day.
Okay, go out for at least an hour a day. So, look at the story. Have you tried kayaking?
I never try it.
Have you tried, Justin?
No.
Not yet. How about you, Mark? Have you tried kayaking, Mark?
No, I didn't do it yet, or I forgot.
But looking at the picture, look at the picture. Are you encouraged by it to do kayaking?
I think no.
Oh, you think no? Do you think it's dangerous for you?
It is because I'm too lazy to paddle around the kayaking.
Okay, and especially if you don't know how to swim, if something happens, okay, that
I
will
don't
be
know how
very.
to swim. That's
you
a
don't.
big problem. If I
Sometimes.
drown, that's my life.
Yes. Okay, so that will be
Because I don't learn to swim.
okay,
I
so that
cannot
will
do it.
be very dangerous for you if something might happen. Okay, but at your age, you're going to do kayaking with the supervision of an adult. Okay, so this time,
Very scared.
yeah, it's very
I don't want to
risky.
kayaking.
Let's proceed now with the comprehension questions. Okay, we have it in here. We have comprehension questions. Who would like to read and answer number 1?
Me.
Tristan, you want to answer?
Yes.
By the way, can you still hear my voice?
Yes. I still can hear your voice.
Can you also hear the rain or no?
I don't hear the rain.
Okay, it's okay. That's good. Okay, let's start with you, Tristan, for number 1, please.
Okay. Number 1, what color is Grant's kayak? The color is red.
Okay, can you say Grant's kayak? Come again.
Grant's kayak is red.
Very good. Grant's kayak is red. Okay, so we are going to say that Grant's kayak is red. Okay, that's good. How about number 2? How about number 2? Alfonso, you want to read and answer number 2, Alfonso?
Okay, miss. Number 2, what do Dave and Grant look for when they are kayaking?
Yes.
The answer is, and the answer is Dave and Grant look ducks and loons when they are kayaking.
Okay. They're going to look for, come again, Alfonso?
Ducks and loons.
Okay, ducks. Okay, ducks and loons. And aside from that one, they also look for fish, for turtles, and for muskrats. 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 Okay, they are also like to see ducks and loons. Okay, thank you, Alfonso. Okay. Let's move now to question number 3. Mark, are you ready to read and answer question number 3?
Okay, let's go. Number 3. When do they have the most fun? They have the most fun when kayaking.
Okay.
And they have a lot of fun when they have racing with their kayaks. That's it.
Yes, that's very good, Mark. Thank you. Tristan is clapping his hands for you. So they're having most fun especially if they're having race, if they're doing race with their kayaks. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, how about Zuby?
Yes, coach.
Okay, number 4, please.
Number 4, what do Dave and Graham do after lunch?
Yes.
Can you go back to the story? Okay, thank you. After lunch, they paddle around the lake some more. Then they stop again to have some cookies.
Okay, so after eating their sandwich for lunch, they paddle around the lake to have some more. To paddle around the lake and have some cookies. So that's what they do after lunch. Okay, thank you, Zuby.
You're welcome, coach.
Okay, so those are the 3 comprehension questions for this story. So again, what is the title of the story? What's the title? It is
Dave and Graham love kayaking.
okay. So it's a nice story about friendship. So Dave and Grant always spends time with each other. So I'll be closing this one because we will be moving now to another story.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay! Another story. Ooh.
So we have here another story. It's another story, okay? So what's the next story now? You have
The camping trip.
okay, the camping.
The camping trip.
Okay, have you tried camping? Have you tried camping?
No. I haven't tried it.
So I didn't try it.
But you know what? If
For
you
me, I think it's rough. Since there's no toilet, I think I need to.
Yes.
That's
if you
Uh,
if you
That's
grow
gross.
older, kids, if you know if your age is already like me or maybe in the mid-20s or even in high school, you'll find camping very interesting. You've got to, to enjoy nature. It's a new experience for you. If you
oh,
find
But
it
it's fun.
gross, Mark, you find it gross because there's no, what do you call it?
Toilet. That's a
No
con.
toilet.
There's no toilet. That's
You know
the con.
what? Every time
yeah.
we do camping, especially for boy and girl scouts here in the Philippines, there are improvised toilets for them because camping teaches kids to do survival. It's a
Oh,
survival training.
wow.
Yeah.
Well, my dad say there's no toilet. So when he do the camping trip, no toilet is so gross.
Oh, so gross.
Yes.
So
Okay, but
gross.
if
That
those
is the point. That's the
campings
point.
are, prepared by schools, there are improvised toilets made for you. But if you do camping in the forest,
No
maybe
toilets.
no toilets, really. There's no really toilets in that one. So what should you do?
I don't know.
You will just, what they call that one?
Oh,
Dang, I
if
just
no toilet, that's a gross. You need to take
yes,
your turn.
You need
being
to
grown.
stop. You
Yes.
don't know where to pee and to move your bowel like that.
Oh
And
no.
sometimes,
Okay.
like in the toilet, it's very scary.
Let's ask the older kids here. Zubi, hello.
Hello, coach.
Okay, have you tried camping already?
I guess yes.
Do you find it gross or not tidy if you do camping, Zubi? Is it a school-based camping?
Yes, it's a school-based camping.
Okay, so what's your experience in it?
Um, so fun.
Yeah, literally right. It's very fun. Especially
Very fun.
it's fun, Tristan, especially if you are with your group of friends.
Yes.
Especially you're doing
What about the toilet? That's
They
Mark.
already
have the
Don't
toilet
worry.
is
thing.
Don't worry about the toilet, Mark. There are many options where you're going to pee.
so many.
Is am I going to go to the toilet by sewer?
No.
Okay, maybe
I think
soon,
it is.
maybe you, Tristan, and Mark can experience camping really, really soon so that you can, got to experience it real hand. Okay,
Yes.
let's
I
move
want
now.
to know.
Let's move now to reading the story. Our next story will be the camping trip. Okay, we'll be finding out who does the camping, where they do what, when, and where is their camping site. Okay,
I hope there's a toilet in the story.
I'll be asking Zuby first to read. Hi, Zuby.
Yes, coach.
Okay, please start reading now.
The camping trip. Lily and her boyfriend Rian went camping with their mom and dad. Rian and dad set up the tent while Lily and mom collected sticks to start a bonfire. Once a tent was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lil, Lily and Rian looked for long pointy stick to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found four perfect sticks, one for each of them. Lily and Rian and their mom and dad each placed two hot dogs on their stick. They held the hot dogs over the fire and turned the stick slowly so every side of each hot dog was cooked. Then they put the hot dogs into buns and add ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoy their hot dogs, got out the marshmallow for dessert. They all roasted marshmallow over the fire until the marshmallow turned a nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouths. Sitting around the bonfire and eating marshmallow is Lily and Rian's favorite part of camping.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Zuby.
You're welcome, coach.
Okay, you know what? Um, for our day, for this generation now, for these days, if you do camping, there are already camping sites. Okay, when you say camping site, there's a place for you to build your tent. And aside from that one, there's also a place for you or a place for the toilet. So, but there are already camping sites, especially if it's a private camping site. So you don't have a problem for the restroom. Okay. So just like this one, or for the videos that I have watched, they just do camping overnight. They go to campsite. Okay, so for us to really understand it more, thank you, Zuby, for that one. I will also be asking Honey to read. Honey,
I missed the camping trip. Lily and her brother Liam went camping with their mom and dad. When and dad set up the tent while Lily and mom collect sticks to start a bonfire. Once the van was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lily and Liam look 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 for long point sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found four perfect sticks, one for each of them. Lily and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed two hot dogs on their sticks. They held the hot dog over the fire and turned the sticks slowly so every side of each hot dog was cooked. They put the hot dogs into buns and added ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoyed their hot dogs, Lily got out the marshmallow for dessert. They all roasted marshmallow over the fire until the marshmallow turned a nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouths. Sitting around the bonfire and eating marshmallow is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping.
Okay, what a very beautiful story. Honey, thank you. I'm also very happy, honey, that you were able to join tonight. Thank you.
You're welcome, Lily.
Okay. Aaron, I will also ask you to read Aaron, okay?
Lily and her brother Ryan went camping with their mom and dad. Ryan and dad set up the tent while Lily and mom collected sticks to start a bonfire. Once the tent was set up, they started to fire in the bonfire pit. Lily and Ryan looked for a long pointing sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire. While the fire was heating up, they found 4 perfect sticks. One of them, Lily and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed 2 hot dogs on their stick. They held the hot dogs over the fire and turned the stick slowly to every side of its hot dog was cooked. Then they put the hot dogs into buns and added ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoyed the hot dog, Lily got out the marshmallow for dessert. They are roasted marshmallows over the fire until the marshmallows turn nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouth. Sitting around the bonfire is eating marshmallow in the Lily and Ryan favorite part of camping.
Okay, that's good. What happened to your voice, Aaron? Do you have a sore throat? Is it okay? Are you okay?
I'm a little
You're coughing?
losing my voice.
Oh, yes, you're slow. What do you call that one? I observed that there's something wrong with your voice. Okay, but nevertheless, you have read it well, Aaron. Thank you for that one.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, one last for this story. Alfonso, are you ready now?
Yes, Miss.
Alfonso.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go now.
Okay. The camping trip. Lily and her brother Ryan went camping with their mom and dad. Ryan and dad set up the tent while Lily and mom collected sticks to start a bonfire. Once the tent was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lily and Ryan looked for long pointy sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found 4 perfect sticks. one for each of them. Lily and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed 2 hot dogs on their sticks. They held the dogs over the hot over the fire and turned the sticks slowly so every side of each hot dog was cooked. Then they put the hot dogs into buns and added ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoyed their hot dog, Lily got out the marshmallows for dessert. They all roasted marshmallow over the fire until the marshmallow turned a nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouths. Sitting around the bonfire and eating marshmallow is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping.
Okay, thank you, Alfonso. Very good.
Welcome.
Okay, so I would like to thank Zubi, Honey, Aaron, and Alfonso for reading our next story. So we have the camping trip. So who went on a camping? Who went on a camping? Is it a group?
Lily and Ryan.
Mom, Dad, and Lily and Brian.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a whole family. It's a family camping trip. So it's not the usual school trip, it's not the usual friend camping trip, but it's a family trip. So look
Yeah.
at here. The family is very happy spending time together. What are they doing in here? What are they doing in here? Look at the picture.
They are burning hot dogs.
Come again, Tristan. They are
Cooking hot dogs.
Yeah, they're cooking hot dogs over the fire. Have you tried doing this outdoor activity with your family or friends?
No.
Okay, because what we usually do with hot dogs is that we used to fry it on pan or grill it. But this time they cook it over the fire. Okay? I
Yeah.
also hope that I can experience having this one. And look at here. Look at the picture in here. What happened to the marshmallows here?
The marshmallow is going to burn.
Okay.
Yes, until they get brown color.
Yes, until they get brown.
Color.
What do you call that one? S'mores. Okay. Burnt.
Yes.
Yeah, burnt marshmallows are we call that one as s'mores. Then it will what will happen that one? It will be really really soft, color brown. It will be brownish. Then you're going to eat it. So that is Lily and Ryan's favorite part during camping. Have you tried doing this one?
I didn't try to the marshmallow. I didn't even eat marshmallow.
Oh, okay. So for Mark, he doesn't want to eat marshmallows, but maybe for some kids they want marshmallows. Like me, teacher wants to eat marshmallows, but I haven't tried doing s'mores.
Yes, I want to eat.
Yeah, so that's good, Tristan.
But I did marshmallow though.
Burnt marshmallows. Okay, I hope we can try that one soon, okay?
Okay.
So what's the title of the story, kids?
The camping trip.
Okay, very good.
Loud.
Tristan is very active today. So our title is The Camping Trip. Who are the characters? Can I ask Honey? Quiet. Honey, can I ask you?
Yes.
Okay, who are the characters in the story, Honey?
Lily and her brother Ryan.
Do we only have Lily and Ryan?
Also mom and dad.
Yes, mom and dad. What are they going to do?
Camping.
Yes, they're going to do a camping. So, let's move now. So, what are they going to do once the tent was already set up? What are they going to build? When the tent is already set up, what are they going to do next?
They put the hot dog.
Yes. What are they going to do next once the tent was already set up? Zubi, Alexandria?
They started a fire in the bonfire pit.
Yes. They are going to start a fire in the bonfire pit. Okay. So when they already created the fire, they're going to cook their hot dogs. And after cooking, they're going to put ketchup and mustard in it. And for them, the hot dogs were very delicious. Okay, let's have now a first
Question.
Okay, let's have here our first question. Alexandria, do you want to read and answer?
Okay, yes. What did Lily and Mom do while Ryan and Dad set up the tent?
Yes.
They are trying to find the stick.
Okay, what will they do with the stick?
To set up the bonfire.
Yes, okay, and usually they succeeded with that plan. Okay, Lily and Mom will look for sticks for the bonfire. Okay, thank you. Okay, this time, I hope Ressa is already good now. Ressa?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, your microphone is working now. How about number 2, Reza?
Okay, Miss. What did they all cook over the bonfire to eat for dinner?
Yes. Okay,
The
what do
answer,
they have? What do they have for dinner? You have it here. What do they have for dinner? Anyone who would like to answer also?
hot dog, Miss.
Yes, Reza. They are going to have hot dogs for dinner.
Yummy.
Yeah, very
dog.
yummy.
Fun fact, I think hot dog is a dog burning.
No.
No, no.
No.
Um,
Never happened.
uh,
It's a hot dog
is that
means
a meat
food.
dog, not a
Under
sausage?
the dog with a hot.
A meat dog? Is that a meat dog, not a sausage?
oh yeah, sausages or hot dogs. You don't have hot dogs in Indonesia. You only have sausages.
No, I
No,
haven't.
we have hot dog too.
Okay.
Yes.
So yummy,
So I guess Mark is just joking around.
spicy.
Okay, let's move now to question number 3. Let's move now to question number 3. Who would like to read that one and answer it?
Me.
Me.
Okay, let's have Mark. Yes, Mark.
Yay! What did Lily get out for dessert?
Yes. What do you think?
And looking back at the story, he gets marshmallow.
Okay, burnt marshmallows, right?
Or
Or roasted.
marshmallow and then make it until turn to s'more.
Yes, going a s'mores. So Lily get s'mores for her dessert. Okay, thank you for that one, Mark.
You're welcome.
How about the last question? How about the last question? Tristan, do you want to?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Tristan.
What is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping? They very like to eat marshmallow.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, that's good, Tristan. So that is their favorite part during camping, eating s'mores or eating burnt marshmallow. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much for that one.
It's already done.
I just stopped sharing my screen. If you check the time, it's already 6:16. Do you still want another story, or we will stop with the two stories now?
Another story.
Random, please.
Come again, Mark.
Random story.
Alfonso.
Next story.
Okay. So we will be having our last story for this. Okay, for tonight.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, for a while. Okay, for a while.
Maybe a bedtime story?
A bedtime story. It's already late for you, Mark.
No. Maybe I can read it. You can read the bedtime story when it's 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you not yet hungry? Are you not yet hungry?
No,
I'm hungry.
no.
Not
A
yet.
little
Okay.
hungry, but it's
I'm
okay.
looking for noodle.
Okay. For a while, okay. My screen is still loading for the next story. Let's
I
wait
guess
for
I'll
it.
eat right now.
Oh yes. While we are having our class, you can always grab something to eat. Okay. That's really
Yummy.
fine. Okay. There you have it now.
I'm off cam now because I'm eating.
Okay. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen again. Get
Okay.
ready for our next story. Wow. Oh, it's very big. Do you have my screen, kids?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you have it there. Our third story for tonight is you have there Grandpa's cooking. Okay. Grandpa's cooking. Do you know what a grandpa is?
Yes.
Okay. If we are going to say it correctly, you have grandfather. A
Yeah.
grandfather. Okay. So let us find out what kind of cooking is this grandpa is doing. Okay. I would like Alexandria. Can we have you first to read, Alexandria?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, go.
Grandpa's cooking. Ella loves her grandpa. He lives in Texas and comes to visit once a month. She wishes he come to visit every week because he tells great stories and makes her favorite dinner. Ella asked her mom to make the barbecue chicken that Grandpa makes. Ella's mom says, I will try, but no one make it as well as Grandpa does. Ella watches her mom prepare the sauce for the chicken. It looks tasty. When the chicken is finished cooking, Ella's family sit down to eat. Her mom was right. No one makes the barbecue chicken as well as Grandpa. The next time her grandpa comes to visit, Ella tells him the story about her mom trying to make the chicken. Her grandpa says, that is a great story. Then he teaches Ella and her mom how to make the chicken. Ella and her mom make the barbecue chicken once a week. It still does not taste quite as good as Grandpa's. Ella loves her grandpa.
Okay, that's it. So it's a good story. It talks about how the grandpa cooks the chicken. So thank you, Alexandria, for reading.
You're
I'll
welcome.
be asking two more kids to read this time.
Me?
Who haven't? Rayhan, can I ask you to read, Rayhan?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Let's try to read, Rayhan, okay? Okay. Rasa, you can also read with Rayhan. Right, Rasa? Rasa?
Grandpa's cooking. Grandpa's cooking. Ella loved her grandpa. He lived in Texas.
Rasa, for a while, Rasa. Okay. Instead of Rayhan, can I ask you, Rasa, to read? Rasa?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Instead of Rayhan, I'll be asking you to read, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go, Rasa.
Grandpa cooking. Ella loves her grandpa. He lives in Texas, goodness to visit and a month. She wished he come to visit every week because he tells great stories and makes her favorite dinner. Ella asked her mom to make the barbecue chicken that grandpa makes. Ella's mom says, I will try, but no one make it as well as grandpa does. Ella watched her mom prepare the sounds for the kitchen. It looks tasty. When the chicken is finished cooking, Ella's family sit down to eat. Her mom was barbecue chicken as well as grandpa. The next time her grandpa comes to visit, Ella tells him the story about her mom trying to make the chicken. Her grandma says that is a great story. Then he teaches Ella and her mom how to make the chicken. Ella and her mom make the barbecue chicken once a week. It still does not taste as good as grandma. Ella loved her grandma.
Yes, thank you. Very good also, Rayhan and Rasa. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, so we read this one as loves. This one is Texas. This is wants. Okay? So we will be asking Tristan again to read the story. Tristan.
Okay. Grandpa's cooking. Ella loves her grandpa. He lives in Texas and comes to visit once a month. She wishes he came to visit every week because he tells great stories and makes her favorite dinner. Ella asks her mom to make the barbecue chicken that grandpa makes. Ella's mom says, I will try, but no one makes it as well as grandpa does. Ella watches her mom prepare the sauce for the chicken. It looks tasty when chicken is finished finished cooking. Ella's family sits down to eat. Her mom was right. No one makes the barbecue chicken as well as grandpa. The next time her grandpa comes to visit, Ella tells him the story about her mom trying to make the chicken. Her grandpa says, that is a great story. Then he teaches Ella and her mom how to make chicken. Ella and her mom make the barbecue chicken once a week. It still does not taste quite as good as grandpa's. Ella loves her grandpa.
Okay, that's
Okay,
very good.
that's the story.
Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
What's the name of the little girl in the story?
Ella.
Okay, her name is Ella. Ella loved whom?
Her grandpa.
Okay, Ella loved her grandfather or grandpa. Where is her grandfather living?
Texas.
Okay, very good, Tristan. Okay, the next question is not for Tristan, okay? I hope other kids will participate. Okay, I hope other kids will participate. So, the grandfather is living in Texas. Every time the grandfather visits every once a week, what does Ella wants to hear from her grandfather?
The barbecue chicken.
To hear the barbecue chicken?
Not only that.
Okay, aside from that barbecue chicken,
It was a great
hear?
story. He tells a great stories.
Yes,
I don't
telling
know
great
what story.
stories. And what's her favorite dinner? That is the barbecue.
Chicken barbecue.
Do you love to eat chicken barbecue, kids?
I like it, but I most likely a duck barbecue. So
Oh,
yeah.
a dog barbecue? You tried eating it already, Mark?
It's so yummy. The top that
Wow.
chicken.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I haven't.
Chicken, and this is duck,
haven't.
and this is the duck. It is definitely higher than chicken for me.
Wow. But you
Yummy.
know, there are ducks here in the Philippines, but I haven't tried eating a duck. Any
Oh,
form
you
of
don't
meat.
even eat
I haven't
the
tried it.
duck.
I think I never trying a duck.
Uh-huh.
I think I forget it. I forget.
Okay, so what does what does Ella and her mom try to do or try to make? Zubi, what does Ella and her mom try to make?
Her mom
Uh,
make this
For a
favorite
while.
dinner. That
For a
is
while, I'm
chicken
asking Zubi to
barbecue.
answer. Okay, Zubi, what are they trying to make?
a barbecue chicken.
But are they successful in copying the menu or the procedure? Does their chicken taste like the original one?
Um,
Okay, it's a no, right? But they just tried it, but no one make it as well as the grandfather. So it says here, no one makes the barbecue chicken as well as grandpa. So although the chicken looks tasty, then Ella's mother prepares the sauce, but still no one makes the barbecue chicken as well as the grandfather. So the next time her grandfather comes to visit Ella, Ella said to her grandfather that, "Oh, you know what, grandpa? We tried to copy your barbecue chicken, but we were not successful in doing it." So the grandfather said, "Oh, that's a really great story, you know." So what did the grandfather do? What did the grandfather do after that one? He he teaches what? Alfonso,
What, miss?
what did the grandfather do after listening to the story? Excuse me. After listening to the story of Ella.
He teach her mom and Ella to make the barbecue chicken.
Okay, so telling them how to really make the barbecue chicken. So after a week, they tried it again, but does the chicken taste like how the grandpa does it? Mark?
Yes,
Yes? Does it
it's.
taste like,
I think it's yummy.
oh yeah, it's still yummy, but you know, after doing it again for a week, it still does not taste quite as good as grandpa.
I
Okay?
think Grandpa is a chef.
Yes, he's a chef, or he is just a good cook. Let us try now to answer the comprehension questions. Okay, I hope the kids are ready now. Honey,
Okay.
question number 1, please, honey.
Okay, Miss. 1. Where does Ella's grandpa lives?
Live. That's live.
Texas.
Come again. Ella's grandpa
Ella's grandpa lives in Texas.
lives. Again, Ella's grandpa lives.
Ella's grandpa lives
Lives.
in Texas.
Very good. So you say Ella's grandpa lives in Texas. Very good. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. Claudie, do you want to read and answer that one?
Yes, Miss. What is Ella's favorite dinner?
Yes.
It is barbecue chicken.
Yes, the barbecue chicken. Very good, Claudie. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
Yes. Alexandria again for number 3.
Okay. What story did Ella tell her grandpa? It's about her mother made the similar chicken like her grandpa, but it's not as good as grandpa's chicken.
Yes, but not as good as the grandpa's chicken. Very, very good. Okay, thank you, Alexandria. Okay, lastly, Alfonso, for the last question, please.
Okay. Okay. Number 4. What does Grandpa teach Ella and her mom to make? The answer is Grandpa teach Ella and her mom to make the barbecue chicken.
Yeah, so the grandpa teaching Ella and the mom how to make the barbecue chicken. But that time, are they already successful in doing it, Alfonso?
What, miss?
Are they successful in doing it after a week?
No.
Okay, because no one can really do it just like how the grandpa is doing the chicken. Okay, so again, kids, what's the title of the last story here? What's the title?
Grandpa's cooking.
Very good, Aaron. You have there grandpa's cooking. So this afternoon, so here in our class this time, we talk about 3 stories. Okay. What's the first one a while ago? What's the first one? It is Dave and Grant loves kayaking, right?
Yes.
Yes, what's the second story? What's the second story? It is about the camping trip.
Yes.
Yes, and what's the last one?
Grandpa's cooking.
Grandpa's cooking. So those are the 3 stories we had this evening. So are we all good now? Are we all good now? Okay, so it's already, I think we already reached 1 hour or more. It's already 6:35, right? So I think I'll be ending now our class. I hope to see you again on our next reading or storytelling class. Thank you to the 11 of you who are with me this afternoon. I appreciate all of you. Thank you, kids. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Mr. Ming.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Thank you,
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you,
Thank you, Sophie.
everyone.
Thank you, everybody. Bring
Thank
back
you,
your
guys. Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Udah keluar kan?